Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. Hope you are well. So, we are on the polar bear rescue, which is coding fundamentals, block one, and this is lesson number 3. We are sequencing and conditional loops. So, conditioning and sequencing and conditional loops. So, we're going to have a look at this, and we are going to use a concept of loops. So, this is both repeats, and in this case, it is a while loop. In here also, there's time for us to sort of test and debug code. So when we've got the code sort of incorrect or not as efficient as it should be, we can go and correct it and try it out. So we are going to embrace a coding mindset as well. Ooh, lovely. So we are going to go and get the world. I'm going to show you what this looks like. We are going to end up here. Okay, so we're going to be in this part here. So this is sort of at the second area. So once we're into Minecraft itself, we've gone into coding fundamentals. You can see Dr. Barwin. Yes, we are absolutely fine. Don't forget, we're going to use the radio to reset our agent if we need to. And also we've got immersive reader over here if you need it read to you, or if you need it translated into another language. Okay, yes, I am ready. So my agent should be around here in a second. So once I've hit C to code, my agent will appear. But before we sort of get into this, let's go into the chat and see what Dr. Barwin's actually saying. Look at these tracks. They seem to lead right into that avalanche. We'll need to get through the snow if we want to find the bear cub. Okie dokie. Now, in Minecraft, we are 2 blocks high, or about 1.8 blocks high. So when the agent comes through here, the agent will only destroy 1 block high. We can't walk through that unless we were going to spill water in here and swim through it. That's the only way we could really get through that one block. But we don't have that. So let's go and see to code. And lots of people forget that the actual instructions are here. There's also a hint. Let's go and see what they say about the hint. Look at the coding snippets, shapes when you snap them together. Use agent move forward. Okay. So what they're doing here is it tends to look at these hexagonal shapes here that match this hexagonal shape here where it says true. So while true, the agent will detect a block forward. Okay, so the agent's going to detect something. Program the agent to dig a path without knowing how far it goes using the while loop. So this conditional here, this condition, while the agent can sense something in front of it, you want it to do something. So we want it to agent detect. The agent needs to destroy forward and up. So it's giving us instructions there and then. So for you to be able to walk through the snow, when done, press play and compile the code. Don't forget to run your code in Minecraft. Okay, so agent. So it says destroy forward and up. So we want to destroy forward and up. So destroy forward and then destroy up. Now the problem here is that the agent isn't moving. So actually, while it's detecting something in front of it, we actually wanted to destroy forward and then walk into the hole. So let's just go and check this out, because if I close this for a second, while it detects the snow, we want it to destroy this block here. And then we want it to walk forward into that hole and then destroy up so that we can walk through it. Okay. So agent move forward by 1. So while it's detecting, we want it to destroy forward. So it makes a hole, move forward, and then destroy up and continue in that loop. So the word is cub. Remember, this could be anything we want. So this could be number 1. We can change that however we like. So we go into the chat, like 1. And there we have it. So it's moving forward, detecting, and while it's got something in front of it, it will walk forward and destroy, or destroy and walk forward. So it's not doing anything now because it doesn't detect anything in front of it. So that's the beauty of a while loop. While there's a condition happening, it will continue to do it. So the text now from Dr. Barwin says it looks like the bridge here might have collapsed. Let's build a new one to get across. So this time it's the opposite. So while the agent has nothing underneath it, we want it to go and build something in front of it here. Okay. So I'm going to stop the video now because we're going to come into this one in the next clip. Okay, so we are going to go into the opposite and make sure that when the agent has nothing underneath its feet, it's going to put some blocks down. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.